They was more concentrated on defensive work, and then when something happened like this, that they had a long way, long distance to make to cut the penalty box, and they didn't, they couldn't simply at the right time be there. But for sure we worked on it that they must follow the players, the wingers, and give them opportunity to bring the ball inside the penalty box.
We are the Nsroma Goran head coach Emma Lagos Cities. What the two Johnny Kopiemo Asante Kotoko. Utim se Nigeri de Epiemo Awedo. If you saw Mukonya Kunim de Kabakwa, Womo Antime, Mekadeu, Omuformantime Ante, and no any Nsroma dreams, Womo Antimantia, Yadi Emma Ghana for now. Maxwell Knodu Air Patches, and Niger and Aba El Kotoko camp.
We are not a perfect team. We are not a perfect team, so we'll keep building until we get there. We are unlucky. We hit the post, and I think that was, we are not lucky then. I think we'll be working on scoring more. We saw that today we were doing more shooting, and one or two dangerous ones went close. I think we could have had a couple of goals through that, but we are unlucky. We have to respect every center, and we go out there, we give it our all, and we make sure that we comply to all rules. We know it's not the best of pitches, but that is what we have, and we have to play and make the best out of it. We meet as a technical team and map up the strategy that we're going to deploy against us. We saw them against us, and we think that if they play the same way, I think we have an antidote to all their tricks and systems.
Okay, if you are Sante Kotokoreko Piemo, our Great Olympics, the Wonder Club of Ghana Football. Now, seeing Enema Enshada Enkoye Farmer Agosue, no general manager, around the other Oloboy Commodore, or Pacha management in him at the Cropotia, a Habo Bokono, Omudim Kunimne, na the Chiano Mediguko, a 5 defeat, and I call Edama Great Olympics, Oli Rosalinda. Oli Father Dixon, na say this year Enema Ebekoye at the Amomo, and Kunimdo Manyano Mienu Pet and Omobo draw, baby Omodano, Womo Air Yako relegation zone and Casanemo, and Penfo Air Patches, Omo Air Bohumodibia, send the bear, dear players in here, so more Edibedim Kunimno, Womo Ebeye Ediamano, Womo management member Bakwani Ding, Ade Ora William Dangote, or Patches near SSA and Penfo a year, Edema Great Olympics, no more Ejromo National. Kwembia so no muguso omo eye se ne be ya boboko no ebesa afan ntoma pa efra na ora de din ade eye Oloboy Commodore de wo se animanim ya no empenfo Asia na de ehia bia no wo mo akekesi ni na footballers no awo ejina mo ema Great Olympics no wo mo ade amom se ne be nkunimdie no ebetimako ede amom. Ye free Olympics company MPM or my Ghana na Kotoko Express Ediaba was sweet victory porcupines shattered dreams at Dewu etwe any enkunimdie ensema Kotoko Express wo Ediama Kotoko fans enti usi dwoma obetimi enye bi no ato no wakenkan no hu de edi ahim wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko Boboko na no so ejina no pay na the sports ni nyina aba the way ye asida emodu no once again enko Emma this way chocolate drink or so here no eno and it won't show share sounds on special eyes and special drinks nina one more attention that is personal and my Ghana for an pay sorry so na jumedi no atwaso makramo.